Fa la 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 la. Spread the cheer for all to see. Fa la 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 la. See the snowflakes softly falling. Fa la 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 la. Friends and family hear them calling. Fa la 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 la. Jingle bells and cookies baking. Fa la 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 la. Warmth and love our hearts are taking. Fa la 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 la. Baking treats and making sweets. Fa la 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 la. Gingerbread houses, oh what a feat. Fa la 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 la. Deck the tree with stars and baubles. Fa la 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 la. Twinkling lights, so many colors. Fa la 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 la. Wrap the gifts with paper ties. Fa la 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 la. Filled with love and pure delight. Fa la 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 la. Caroling with friends and neighbors. Fa la 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 la. Bringing joy to those we hold dear. Fa la 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 la. Gather round by the cozy firelight. Fa la 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 la. It's a beautiful sight tonight. Fa la 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 la.
Look, baby shark. Oh yeah, it's a shark family. Oh.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Play with sharks, do 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 do. Play with sharks, do 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 do. Play with sharks, do 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 do. Play with sharks. Feed the sharks, do 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 do. Feed the sharks, do 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 do. Feed the sharks, do 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 do. Feed the sharks. Selfie with sharks, do 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 do. Selfie with sharks, do 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 do. Selfie with sharks, do 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 do. Selfie with sharks. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last. Bye bye sharks, do 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 do. Bye bye sharks, do 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 do. Bye bye sharks, do 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 do. Bye bye sharks. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the farm. wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the farm. Hey, come on in. The baby on the bus cries wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. The baby on the bus cries wow, wow, wow. All through the farm. The mommies on the bus say shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus say shh, shh, shh. All through the farm.
Baa Baa Blue Sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Blue Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Baa Baa Pink Sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Baa Baa Pink Sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Baa Baa Yellow Sheep, have you any wool?
Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Yellow Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Be careful, Emma.
We're going to the park to see some giant friends. We'll see the mighty T-Rex and Stegosaurus too. We're going on a fun ride at the Dino Park. We will see some dinos roar and stomp. He's the Ultrasaurus. He eats plants and trees. His ultra-long neck reaches up to 3 stories. He's one of the biggest ever to exist. When he stomps and roars, it's hard for you to miss. He's Triceratops. It's Greek for 3-horned face. His very big head takes up 7 feet of space. He's not a giant killer. He is a plant eater. He fights with the T-Rex, but he's a lot sweeter.
Bye-bye, Triceratops.
The duck-billed dino, he's Parasaurolophus. He's got 1,000 teeth and he is herbivorous. The crest on his head is as big as a man. His weight on the scale is as much as a car.
See plates on his body? He's the Stegosaurus. His brain's like a walnut, but his body is enormous. He's heavy as a bag when you put him on the scale. When danger gets close, he whacks with his tail.
Hooray!
The king of the dinos, he's the mighty T-Rex. His very big brain is yet another feature. He's got super sharp teeth and a very strong bite. If you're a Triceratops, stay out of his sight.
Bye-bye, T-Rex. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sky is bright and the day is sunny. Oh, what fun as I play with bunnies. There are 5 of them. They look cute. They love playing with me too.
Aw, so cute.
Hop, 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 they go behind the bush. Little Emma follows them too. One by one, they all come out, but now there are only 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Where did Bunny go?
Where did one bunny go? Did he hide in the pumpkin rows? They searched the field and come out, but now there are only 3.
1, 2, 3. Bunny, Bunny.
We cannot let our friends be lost.
Bunny,
We have to find them at any cost. They searched the playhouse inside out, but now there are only 2.
1, 2. Uh-oh. Oh no.
No, 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 this is not done. Let's find them before sets the sun. One by one they should come out, but now there is only 1.
1. Oh. 1 bunny left.
One last try we have to do. How we play if we are only 2. They searched the car with no luck, and now all the bunnies are gone.
No more bunnies. Oh no.
Something doesn't feel right up here. I think someone's out there. Oh look, all 5 bunnies I found at last, eating carrots and having a blast.
Oh, the poor kitty is stuck in the tree. We need to get her down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. Stay right there. Is Don't worry. Down. Oh dear kitty. Build it up with haystacks, haystacks, haystacks. Build it up with haystacks. Let us save poor kitty. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling not again! London Bridge is falling down. Oh dear kitty, build it up with you and me. Let's save poor kitty. Come on, kitty! Yay!
Yay! We did it! Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Go inside.
Come here!
Wow, so fresh.
Bye-bye!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Quack, quack!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O.
Hello,
With a
horsey!
neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's help Horsey!
Aw. Hey, hey.
Bye-bye! See you soon! Wow! Yay!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Joey!
Thank you, Mommy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Mommy, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen, darling.
Look what I painted! Look!
You're so good. You really painted well.
Sandwiches, can I take one?
No.
Aw.
You need to wash your hands first.
Okay. Look, my hands are clean now.
No, they're not.
Okay, now they are clean. See, my hands are clean now.
Rub, 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 and bubbles, bubbles take all the germs away.
Look, Mommy, my hands are clean now.
Very nice, Emma.
Give me a bite, Emma.
Wait, a bite for me too.
No.
Every time before you eat, you should wash your hands. Dirty hands have lots of germs, so you should wash your hands. Squeeze a little soap and water on your hands. Rub, 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 and bubbles, bubbles take all the germs away.
Your hands are clean, but I ate all of them.
Here are more sandwiches, kids.
Yay!
Sandwiches, my favorite.
No!
Oh, sorry kids. I forgot to wash my hands. I'll go and wash my hands first.
Let's eat them before he comes back. Oh, good sheep.
Oh no!
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Good morning, Johnny.
Good morning, Mama.
Emma and Ginny, it's time to wake up, kids.
Won't you pick me up, Mama?
Breakfast is getting ready.
Yay! I love yummy pancakes.
No, Emma, we won't eat until you go and brush your teeth. As soon as you get out of bed, bring your brush, put the toothpaste on.
Left and right, up and down, scrub them neat and clean. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Nuh-uh-uh. Oh, Ginny, don't forget, let's get the candy out of your mouth. Your teeth like to be clean and strong. Bring your brush, put the toothpaste on.
Left and right, up and down, scrub them neat and clean. Mommy, will you tell us a bedtime story?
Johnny, Emma, did you brush your teeth?
No, Mom. We brushed in the morning.
Why do we have to brush again?
Your teeth will be healthy and clean. Your mouth won't be stinky and green. Right before you go to
morning and night. Brush them twice a day.
Huh? Aha! Who wants hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate? Yay! Hot chocolate!
But first, who did this?
He did it. No, she did it.
Show me your hands. Okay, let's go take a bath.
Oh no! I hate the bath.
Come on, it will be fun.
No, please.
If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. Splash, splash. If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. Splash, splash. If you're dirty and you know it, and you really want to clean it. If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your face, clean your face. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your face. Close your eyes. If you're dirty and you know it, and you really want to clean it. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your face. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your hands and nails. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your hands and nails. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your feet and toes. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your feet and toes. If you're dirty and you know it, and you really want to clean it. If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. Hot chocolate is ready, kids. Little Joey went to a farm, E-I-E-I-O, to take a selfie with some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a click, click. Little Joey took a selfie, E-I-E-I-O.
Come over here. Oh no! Don't fight!
Little Joey went to a farm, E-I-E-I-O, to take a selfie with some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere a click click. Little Joey took a selfie, E-I-E-I-O.
Come here, little duckies.
Little Joey went to a farm, E-I-E-I-O, to take a selfie with some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a click click. Little Joey took a selfie, E-I-E-I-O.
Come on, Stallion, let's have a bath.
Little Joey went to a farm, E-I-E-I-O, to take a selfie with some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a click click. Little Joey took a selfie, E-I-E-I-O.
Wait up, I need some wool.
Wait! Stop there!
Little Joey went to a farm, E-I-E-I-O, to take a selfie with some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa baa
Huh? Huh? Johny, Johny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth. Come with me. Huh? Huh? Johny, Johny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth. Huh?
Peekaboo. 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 Where are you? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Huh? I see.
Oh, you caught me.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where are you? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Huh? I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. I love you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, where are you? Peekaboo, peekaboo, huh? I see you.
Oh, my baby, I love you. Mwah.
Peekaboo, peekaboo, where are you? Peekaboo, peekaboo, huh? I see you.
Oh, you caught me. It's always fun playing peekaboo.
Run, run! I am a monster.
Oh dear.
Don't scare us. Arr! Arr! Ooh, soup.
Emma, you're the sweetest girl, my baby. Won't you cut your hair?
No, no, I love my hair. It is so long, just like yours.
Baby, you need a cut, it will keep you very clean.
Emma, you'll look prettier too.
It won't fall into the soup.
If you cut your hair now, it'll grow back really strong.
Okay, I want strong hair. Daddy, will you come along and pick a hairstyle for me?
Yes.
Clip, snap, clip. Clip, snap, clip, snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
Elma, how high or low do you want your chair to be?
I want it to be this tall.
Here you go.
Yay! Thank you! How about this hairstyle?
Yes, this will be great. I have scissors and spray. Let's get started now.
Clip, snap, clip, snap, clip, snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
We clip away the extra hair. We'll give you a very cute hairdo.
The scissors go clip, clip, clip. The scissors go snap, snap, snap.
Elma, what do you think? Do you like your new hairdo?
I love it! Thank you for my new hairstyle. Mommy, where are you? Where are you? I've got a boo-boo. Boo-boo. I fell from the swing. It hurts.
Oh, sweetie, don't worry. Mommy will help make it go away. First we'll wash do-do-do-do-do-do. Then put a bandage do-do-do-do-do. Then a kiss do-do-do-do. Bye-bye boo-boo.
Daddy? Daddy? Where are you? Where are you? I've got a boo-boo. Boo-boo. I tripped on a stone. It hurts.
Oh, honey, don't worry. Daddy will help make it go away. First we'll wash do-do-do-do-do-do. Then put a bandage do-do-do-do-do. Then a kiss do-do-do-do. Bye-bye boo-boo.
Mommy! Mommy! Where are you? Where are you? I've got a boo-boo! Boo-boo! I bruised my leg outside.
Oh, sweetie, don't worry. Mommy will help make it go away. First we'll wash do-do-do-do-do-do. Then put a bandage do-do-do-do-do. Then a kiss do-do-do-do. Bye-bye boo-boo. There you go, sweetie. All better. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through thy town.
Good boy. Yay, I love playing. Come here.
Hey, come on in.
Come on.
wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the town.
So cute!
The baby on the bus cries wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. The baby on the bus cries wow, wow, wow. All through the town. The mommies on the bus say shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus say shh, shh, shh. All through the town. Emma goes on a safari, a safari, a safari. Emma goes on a safari, out in the wild today. Emma goes to the jungle, the jungle, the jungle. Emma goes to the jungle with Mom and Dad, Ginny and Johnny. Emma meets the deer and bucks, deer and bucks, deer and bucks. Emma meets the deer and bucks. They're running wild and free.
I think there is a tiger.
Oh yes! I just saw his tail behind the bushes.
All of them see a big tiger, a big tiger, a big tiger. All of them see a big tiger who's fast and furious.
Oh, wow! There are some elephants near the pond.
Emma meets the elephant, elephant, elephant. Emma meets the elephant who's mighty big and strong. Johnny spotted the giraffe, the giraffe, the giraffe. Johnny spotted the giraffe who had the longest neck.
I love his long neck. Oh dear, I got scared.
Ginny spots a bear, spots a bear, spots a bear. Ginny spots a bear climbing up a tree.
See, there's a big bird.
The big bird is called a peacock. We also call them peafowl.
Emma sees the peacock dance, the peacock dance, the peacock dance. Emma sees the peacock dance with all its feathers out.
Subscribe to Beep Beep.